Hi, welcome back. It's good to see you again. If you're new here, my name is Asha. I'm a designer, and this year my goal is to design and build 12 apps, one for each month of the year, to reignite my creativity, my love for design, and to learn new tools. I already built a goal tracking app where you type your goal and get actionable steps that you can stamp your way through, like a loyalty card of your favorite coffee shop. And at the end, you get a reward. It's still January right now, but in today's video, we're going to be creating an app for February, which is a month of love. So we are going to be staying with that theme. It's going to be a love coupon generator. So it's not going to give you a gift idea that you'd actually have to go out and buy for someone, but just a funny, silly love coupon that I think is very V-Day coded. I think first there's going to be some questions with ABC answers, like who is this for? Is it for a romantic partner or a friend? And then maybe like what is the vibe? Is it supposed to be romantic or maybe funny? So that the coupon you get at the end is not random. Then the whole point is to send this coupon to your person. And that's where the problems begin because I'm not yet sure how I'm going to do this. But don't worry, that's kind of the theme here. I already gathered inspiration yesterday, and let's say the vibe is vintage postcards and love letters because what is more romantic than that? As you can see, it has gotten completely dark in the meantime. To be fair, I had to film some other stuff for Instagram too, so I didn't start working on it right away. But I have my first screen ready. I had to figure out stuff like colors, button styles, fonts, etc. I think I'm going to move on to the last screen, which is going to be the most complicated design wise because I have to create the coupon. I have to create a little bit of the coupon machine. I want to make this interaction. We'll see how that goes later, where the coupon is being printed out of that coupon machine. I think this design came out really cute and I think it really captures the postcard vibe that I was going for. I think I deserve a little bit of a break. So I'm going to do some skincare shopping. If you didn't know, I am a complete skincare junkie and I really like buying new skincare products. And recently I've been introduced to this brand called Anua. I have some products from them and I think they're really working. And today I've seen some other really cool products from them. So let's see how pricey they are and let's see if they're available. I have almost all my screens ready and right now I'm going to have dinner and I think I'm signing off for today and from this project as well because I have to edit some videos for Instagram for next week. Okay, I'm back. It's been a couple days. So this is all I've done on Saturday. I have all the screens ready for all screen sizes. So right now we're finally moving into Lovable. It is working. I can take off the answers and I'm getting a coupon at the end. So the functionality is there. However, the design looks awful. Something really interesting that has happened is that it didn't use my images that were on the screens. It provided its own AI renderings of these images. Very weird, but I think maybe that's my mistake because I think I should have attached the images also separate from the screens. Just chugging along with this a little bit of a tedious process, just tweaking little things here and there. How do I make this work so that this coupon is coming out of this slot in the dispenser? For a second I was like, okay, maybe I insert the picture together of the dispenser and the coupons, but I can't do that because I want to later add this animation that the coupons are like being printed and they're coming out of the dispenser. So they have to be two separate images. Okay, success. It's working. It's looking quite good, and the animation that I was really dreading and trying is finally working. It looks like the coupon is printing, but that is just the desktop version. Now we have to take care of all the other screen sizes because right now they're looking horrendous and not working at all. And then some other issues that came up during this process is the AI itself got me a little worried because sometimes it would give like a very weird output. I don't even want to repeat it. When I say that, it sounds like it said something inappropriate. It was just very, very weird. Like, weird. Not inappropriate, but weird. And it involved spiders, so freaked me out even more. So I have to look into that because if that is not working, the app is not working, right? The other thing that we have to test is the sending of the coupon because that is very, very important. Wow, look, we have sun. Isn't that amazing? Okay, I've had a busy morning. I was able to fix all the small detail issues on desktop and mobile. I didn't manage to do that yesterday. I had to go to sleep and I ran out of credits. I've also been fixing some security issues because I already published the website. I had to test the send coupon functionality and it actually worked completely on first try. Okay, I have it right here. This is how it looks. I can click send and it shows me that the link was copied. I can send the link. I've tested it with my fiance and he got a coupon for me. It is almost completely done. There is one final problem that I kind of mentioned yesterday, which was the fact that it gives sometimes weird, actually disturbing coupons. So we have to fix that, okay? We don't want to scare people. I think this is the last thing that I need to fix and add more variations because I've kind of been seeing 4 of the same coupon ideas over and over again. So we need more. And after that, I think it's done. So the app is working, it's functioning. I think there's nothing left to do. So I will be wrapping up this video. Thank you for hanging out with me and for joining on this new adventure, this new app build, and see you in my next video.